Hello dear students, welcome to class 6. Exercise 5.5. In that question number 4, study the diagram. The line L is perpendicular to line M. Now you can see here this horizontally line L is given and vertically line M is given. Okay, this is line M. Now we have to answer the question. First one, A, is CE equal to EG? Question mark is there. CE. Now where is CE? CE. It means CE equal to EG. EG. So C to D 1 unit and D to E second unit. C to D and D to E. Here also 2 units. In CE 2 units are there, and EG, E to F and F to G. There are also 2 units. So both are same. Does PE bisect CG? PE. Here it is a P and E. It means this PE bisect CG. CG. Okay. Now what is the meaning of bisect? Bisector, if a perpendicular line divides another line into 2 equal parts, then that is a bisector. So PE that divides CG, C to G into 2 equal parts. Okay. PE divides this CG into 2 equal parts. You can check on the left side C to D and D to E 2 units, and on the right side also 2 units are there. So it is a correct. Yes, it divides, it bisect CG. C, identify any 2 line segments for which PE is a perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular, it means it makes 90-degree angle, and bisector, it means it divides another line into 2 equal parts. So first one DF. Yes, DF, whose bisector is PE. Then CG, that is the second one, and BH. Fourth one, are this true? AC greater than FG. AC 2 units, FG 1 unit. So yes, AC is greater than FG. CD is equal to GH. CD 1 unit and GH, that is also 1 unit. So it is a true. Last one, BC less than EH. BC 1 unit and EH 3 units. So EH is greater than BC, or BC is less than EH. That is also true. Okay. Now let's see classification of triangles. How to classify the triangles? You can classify triangles based on sides, and second one based on angles. First one, a triangle having all 3 unequal sides is called as scalene triangle. All 3 unequal sides, it means all 3 sides are different, length of all 3 sides are different, then it is known as a scalene triangle. You can check here, I have drawn one triangle, all 3 sides length is not same, so that is a scalene triangle. Second one, a triangle having 2 equal sides is called an isosceles triangle. 2 sides are equal, it is isosceles triangle. So these 2 sides are same. For scalene triangle, here 2 figures are given, C and E. Then isosceles triangle, B and F. B and F. Here 2 symbols are also given. Here you can check Here on two lines, these two symbols are given. It means that these two lines are equal to each other. Here the symbols are given on all three lines. It means all three lines are same. So first one, length of all sides are different, then it is a scalene triangle. Second one, triangle having two equal sides, that is isosceles triangle. And triangle having three equal sides, all three sides are equal, so that is a equilateral triangle. Figure A and D, that is on the, so that is the based on the sides. Now naming the triangles based on angles. First one, if each angle is less than 90 degree, then the triangle is called an acute angle triangle. So here acute angle triangle is given. You can check all the angles are less than 90 degree. Second one, if any one angle is right angle, then that triangle is called a right angle triangle. Here angle F, that is a 90 degree, so it is a right angle triangle. Third one, if any one is greater than 90, then the triangle is called an obtuse angle triangle. Here angle K, that is more than 90 degree, because this angle is 90 and here it is given that is a more than 90 degree, so it is a obtuse angled triangle. Now let's start 5.6. Exercise 5.6. Question number 1. Name the types of following triangles. Here triangles are given with the length of sides and with the angles. So based on that you have to give the names. First one, A, triangle with lengths of sides 7, 8 and 9 centimeter. You can check here that all three sides are unequal, so it is a scalene triangle. Second one, triangle ABC with AB 8.7, AC 7 and BC 6. So length of all three sides are given and all three sides are different, so it is a scalene triangle. C, triangle PQR such that PQ is equal to QR is equal to PR. All three sides are same, PQR. PQ is equal to QR is equal to PR is equal to 5 centimeter. All three sides are same, so it is a equilateral triangle. D, triangle DEF with angle D 90 degree. Any one of the angle is 90 degree, then it is a right angle triangle. E, triangle XYZ, XYZ, in that Y is 90 degree. So we have to draw figure like that, X, Y, Z, and Y is 90 degree, where XY and YZ, these two sides are same. So what is the one of the property? 90 degree angle, and another second one, two sides are same. So we can give the name isosceles triangle, but that is also right angle. So isosceles right angle triangle. F, triangle LMN, and measurement of all three angles are less than 90 degree. So it is a acute angle triangle. Question number 2, match the following. First one, three sides of equal length. Three sides and equal length, it means it is a equilateral. Two sides of equal length, isosceles triangle. Only isosceles, okay. Then third one, all sides are of different length, scalene triangle. Three acute angle less than 90. So that is a acute. All three angles are less than 90, it means acute angle. One right angle, then it is a right angle triangle. One obtuse angle, so that is a one obtuse angle. One right angle with two sides of equal length, that isosceles right triangle. Okay. Okay, up to here